So this is how I start. So I've just pulled up, we found a good spot here up at North Shore. And now what they do at the retreat is they've got a couple of different campgrounds here. So a lot of powered sites feel all cramped in, but these powered sites are really quite big, spread out all around here. And in these sites, we've got deluxe powered sites, general, and then down the back there, we've got our unpowered camping. We've pulled up here at a powered site, and quite often we've got lots of solar here and we'd be out in the sun, but we've got underneath these trees and found a nice little spot for us here. Crikey, they're all coming around to the cube. So it is always nice when you camp here at a place like Noosa North Shore Retreat, where we've got a camp kitchen, so I can actually put the kettle on over there as well, or wash up some dishes. But I do have a camp kitchen right close here, and I've got the wildlife checking me out. Every time I talk Australian, they seem to come a little bit closer. G'day, mates. How you going? This is us from SEQ Campers on our first adventure camping at the Noosa North Shore Retreat.